I'm Josh Person with ArrowCat Marine. Welcome aboard our ArrowCat 420. The 420 is the flagship of the ArrowCat fleet and the only express cruiser cat on the market. This stylish semi-custom vessel turns heads while its unique design keeps you safe from the elements. The 420 is fast, smooth, and economical for a boat of this stature. This boat is powered by the latest generation Suzuki DF350, which are their dual prop 350 horsepower, naturally aspirated 4-strokes. These are a great combination for this vessel. They provide ample power. I also want to point out our latest steering system that we're using from Seastar, which is utilizing the latest electronic steering, and we're also using their 6-inch jack plates. Those jack plates allow us to trim the motors completely up out of the water for when moored, so no bottom pain on the skegs, or they also allow us to trim up for 6 inches extra clearance when accessing shallower water or skinny areas. Back here at the very furthest point of our transom, we have a lead or a roller that allows us to bring up to a 9-foot dinghy, and that dinghy stows directly in this little area. And at the same time, this is where your storage area is for the propane tank. If you'd like to follow me around this way, I'd like to show you we have a separate door that either swings in or swings out. A nice feature I like to show everybody is that we're not only using fresh water back here, but we have hot and cold fresh water. When you come inside the cockpit of the boat, you'll notice wonderful mezzanine seating with the leather-like cushions. The mezzanine seating has storage directly underneath. So for any items, beach bags, etc., that you might bring on board, nice place on the deck to actually keep them. On the starboard side of the boat, you'll notice that we have a nice stainless steel isotherm refrigerator with a small freezer at the top. So no need to carry a cooler on board. On both port and starboard side, we have a hydraulic assist step. So when you need to climb up and access the deck of the boat, you can do so easily by utilizing this step. And when not in use, it stows and tucks right away. I'd like to show you our gas grill area. We can also use this area for prep because we have a freshwater sink that's stainless steel to match our stainless steel grill. And this grill is using the same gas that I just showed you at the back. So our cooking surfaces on the boat, both inside the galley and back here at our barbecue grill, are using the same gas. So the best experience when cooking. We have plenty of storage inside the vessel. In fact, we keep our road in 5-gallon buckets. And then of course, we can bring on store compartments like such. So any additional gear, deck gear that might need to come on board, no problem. Our battery management, our 3 lithium 5,000 watt batteries tucked back here in this corner for proper weight distribution. And then our separate fuel tanks on a modular slide where that if they ever needed to come out, they can easily come out, slide back, and be removed. Now here on the starboard side, we have our hose for our raw water wash down for the deck, and then we also are showing you our 20-gallon diesel tank that's specifically on board for our optional 5 kW Fisher Panda diesel genset. And that's a DC genset specifically to provide power to those 3 5,000 watt lithium batteries that I mentioned. Those are running through 2 3,000 watt inverters. Those are allowing us the ability to run the air conditioning system on this boat without the need of the generator. Our glass and stainless steel door folds in the center for nice wide open access. And then we also have an electric assist rear window. And then we have a nice open space back here. So we have the breeze and we have the sun coming through. These also feature Poseidon mini blinds. So when you want the privacy, it's there. So Poseidon mini blinds all the way around. So at the time when you need the privacy and you want to cut down on some of the sun glaring in, that's not a problem. Our galley area features a gas cooktop, as well as a side-by-side stainless steel refrigerator and freezer. Back here we've got our master volt electronic system as well as our C-Zone digital switching. And the C-Zone digital switching gives us complete control over just about everything on the vessel. Solenoid control for our fuel, the gas to keep the cooking surfaces, again, separate. We shut that gas off by hitting a simple switch here. And then a nice stainless steel toaster oven. Plenty of storage. We've utilized all of the spaces all throughout the vessel, knowing that people are going to have plenty of items that are not going to be stowed on the actual countertop. Freshwater sink, stainless steel. with a removable handle for spraying. Again, storage anywhere that we could fit it. Notice how we've designed our tabletop to be able to be folded out, but when you want a place to be able to set your cups, keep them in place, we've designed it to do just such. This vessel features dual zone climate control. We have controls here in the main galley area. Notice vents, roofline. We have nice windows that open up for fresh air on both sides. Extremely nice hardware, all made out of aluminum. Moving forward, at the helm, we have a really nice command center. And as you can see, this vessel is equipped with the latest Raymarine electronics. We also have the latest Optimus 360 joystick control, which as you can see is directly next to the Suzuki binnacle. And that Optimus control, again, for a 360 is enabling us to spin the boat in place just by twisting the control, or walking the boat sideways to help us assist in docking. Tilt helm. All of our switches on this vessel, by the way, are all controlled by a separate panel, and we're using C-zone digital switching. On the port side of the vessel, as you walk down the stairs, you'll notice to your left is our walk-in head with a beautiful walk-in shower. We're using Insta-Hot hot water heaters, and this vessel is equipped with our beautiful king-size stateroom. Our king is accessible from both the port and starboard side, so no need for one person to have to climb across that bed to get out of the cabin. On the starboard side of the vessel, you'll notice that you have the king stateroom, along with the guest cabin to your right. I'm Josh Person with ArrowCat Marine. For more information, please visit our website, arrowcat.com.